She filed 2 cases, and the judge instantly saw the chaos.
For a decision on this case, but I'm a bit confused about one thing. Ms. Anderson, you filed a new case for non-payment?
Yes, that was just to make sure for,
Make sure of what?
she hasn't paid, September, October, or, rent, so. I was told to file a 7-day.
Did you put September in escrow?
No, I have not.
When are you gonna do that?
This Friday.
This Friday. And then what about October?
I'm gonna get that in as soon as possible as well. I don't have a deal.
So
I thought I was supposed to,
what?
sorry.
What did you say?
I thought I was supposed to, since she was late for rent for 3 months.
Well, if I render a decision on this case, something's gotta be done with that one because this is a non-payment also.
Yeah, it is, sir. I'm sorry.
When is that set for?
November 7th.
That's the 8:30 hearing.
Yes.
My date after that is in what?
It's
No, no, this for Tuesday. So here's what I'm gonna do. That case, have you been served on that case, ma'am? A new one
So yes,
to come to court on the 7th?
yes.
All right. I don't know why that was done, but it's now caused a bit of confusion. It's procedure. Yes.
I thought I was supposed to when it was late. I'm sorry if I made a mistake, but
Well, there's an escrow order that's in this case. I mean, and you went through a whole hearing on this case.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna render a decision, but that other case is outstanding. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let that proceed on the 7th. I'm gonna adjourn this case to, my decision on this case to November 18th to allow that case to catch up because I don't want a stray case out there. You have the option if you want to, I'm still adjourning this one out to that date, but you do have the option that what you can do is you can dismiss that other case because I don't know what you would get out of that case that you wouldn't get in this case.
can I dismiss the?
I don't have it in front of me. I don't even know where you filed it.
Can I dismiss this case and just go with this one on the 7th? Since it's for non-payment of rent? That's what I prefer to do.
I'm not gonna relitigate this whole case.
I just
That's
want,
what you wanna do.
no, I just want to do it for non-payment of rent. I can dismiss the first case and just,
Well, she's got some counterclaims. You wanna just dismiss this case and just go forth on,
Might as well keep going. We've been here since June, so I just.
oh, I know.
I mean, there's also an outstanding water balance of almost $1,500. So I would just rather cancel this case since I'm the plaintiff and then just go with the 7th.
The water bill she mentioned, she took the water bill out of my name and paid it in full.
It was due on the 6th and they said it would go on my tax bills if I didn't pay
I
it.
don't know why I'm talking about a water bill at this point.
Sir,
What do you want to do? Because you've got this thing all over the place.
I'm going to withdraw this case and just go with the 7th for non-payment of rent. She's 3 months behind right now. And the water bills,
How can she be 3 months behind? She's,
September, October, and then it'll be November, and then the water bill of $1,500. So it's well over, she owes a total of $15,000, a little over 15, and she has 6,600 in escrow. So it's getting deeper and deeper. The further we delay it, the bigger the hole gets.
I'm not delaying anything. You keep doing stuff.
I want to withdraw this one and just go for the 7th since I'm the plaintiff on both. For non-payment of rent, that's all I'm concerned.
No, I know. That's why I don't understand the second case.
Well, that's all I want is the.
I mean, you think I'm sitting up here and don't know anything.
Yeah.
I look stupid, but I'm,
No, you're very smart, sir.
oh, I know that.
I would just rather withdraw this case and just go on with the 7th.
You let me know when you're done talking.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Are you done?
Yeah, I mean, the other attorney
Apparently not. Go ahead.
the other attorney I was working with before suggested that I do that I withdraw this case and just do the 7-day notice. That's what he suggested. He said that would be easier.
You done?
Yes, sir.
Lyman, what would you like to do? So just so that you understand, if she dismisses this case, what I would do is I would pay the escrow over to her, okay, on this case. None of, if you dismissed it, I wouldn't be dismissing any of your claims that you have against her. I wouldn't be dismissing any of them with prejudice. You'd be able to raise them in the other one if that's what you choose to do. But that's up to you. And then you'd have to come back on the 7th and we'll see exactly where we are.
I just feel like we should just keep going, go this way.
But
Finish it out.
since I'm the plaintiff, don't I have the right to cancel that one, listening to my counsel?
You should have gotten an attorney before you started.
I
But
know, but that's what he suggested I do. He said,
no, because once she's answered, she has the same right. She can say no.
okay. So if I cancel the one on the 7th, can we just be done with this today? Is that better? I just don't want to keep dragging this on. So if I just kill the one for the 7th and we just,
Ma'am, I can't give you.
well, that's what I want to do.
as to, well, I don't have that case in front of me. It hasn't even been heard. It was filed.
It was just for non-payment of rent, but since you said it overlaps this one, then let's just cancel that one and just do the non-payment of rent on
Here's
this.
what I'm gonna do. You're gonna stop talking,
Okay,
and then I'm gonna do what I was gonna do at the beginning. And that is, I'm gonna let that other case catch up. They're just gonna be together because you elected to file it. Under what reasoning, I'm not even concerned about that. But I'm not gonna have two cases standing out in this situation. So I'm adjourning this case for its decision to November 18th. When we get to the other case on the 7th, I will try to have that case catch up with this case. And then we can just decide everything, unless somebody wants to file something else in the interim. Thank you.
thank you.
What time on 18th?
9.
Are we coming on the 7th as well, sir? Okay. Thank you.
You know what? And my good friend Mr. Lloyd was sitting there and he wouldn't help me. He just sat there. Just sat there and watched me flail. Nothing like having friends. Did you see that? You did. Yeah, I did. I did too, Joe. Court calls the case of the people versus Gabriel Shawaka.
Water Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Seeing Saxon on behalf of Gabriel Schwab. Present to my right.
State your name, sir.
Gabriel Schwab.
All right. Set for a preliminary examination. Are we ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
People are ready, Your Honor.
All right. Let me call you first ones.
Your Honor.
Your Honor, first, I'm asking first, sequestration.
Easy. You just said.
Easy for me to say.